Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today let's start another video series on how to design a online swimming course website. Yeah, we'll use Tutor LMS for the online LMS course system, and we will sell this online course through Woocommerce. And for the layout, design and all, we'll use Elementor Pro. Okay. Go to Woocommerce settings. Yeah, we need to set up the Woocommerce website. And okay, and I think most of you are familiar with Woocommerce setup, so I will skip most of the things. Here, choose your country or state. Sorry. Okay, and are we going to sell this online course to all over the world or to specific region? I will keep this by default. I will sell this online course to all over the world. Okay. If you want to enable text calculations, enable it. If you want to enable coupons for discounts and all, yeah, enable it. And currency, of course. Currency here, when you choose your currency for your e-commerce website, first consider your majority of your customers. Okay, if you majority of your customers are from the North America, then US dollar is fine. Yeah, even for international market is fine, but for European region, I think euro must be their preference for the customers. For Indian subcontinent, like Indian rupees, I would like to pay in Indian rupees. Okay, and to avoid this to problem of currency, most of the WooCommerce users or designers use multi-currency switchers, so you can do that. By default, I'll give US dollar. Save changes. Okay, products. By default, shop page, it is the shop page. Okay, you can assign custom page for your shop page, but I will leave to the default shop page. Even if I want to customize, I will customize, edit this shop page. Okay, and redirect to cart page after successful addition of course. Enable this. Placeholder image, default placeholder image for WooCommerce products. By default, WooCommerce products have a little small gray image placeholder. If you want to change it, you can change it by uploading the image in your media library and get the image ID and put it here. Okay. Save changes. If you want to customize more for your WooCommerce website, you can do it. You can refer to WooCommerce videos I have on my channel. I think I have covered almost of these settings. Inventory, I think we do not need to worry about this inventory because we are selling virtual product. The online course is a digital or virtual product, so we do not need to worry about inventory. Inventory is mainly about the physical products, so we do not need to manage stock. Save changes. Downloadable products. First downloads, okay. Downloads require login, okay. Save changes. Text. Okay, here is major decision point for you. Do you want to set your price MRP of your product inclusive of all tax or exclusive of tax? If you put this if you set your product price exclusive of tax, it might look cheaper. Yeah, it look like cheaper, and it might be handier for calculation and all, but I think the easiest way is to include inclusive of tax. Enter the set your price inclusive of tax, then you need to you do not need to do red calculations and all. Okay, and here by default it is exclusive of tax, so you need to calculate tax based on the shipping address and all. But here is once again for this I think based on the shipping address or country, based on the IP location, you need to have different tax rates. Here different countries have different tax rates for the same type of service or product. For example, this we are providing online course or educational service, so we may have to pay 2% in India or 5% or, and it might be different case for other countries. So you need to consult your lawyer, or you need to look up on the internet and set it. Here lots of standard rates, zero rates, reduced rates options here, and I will not cover much about this here. So I will set inclusive of price, inclusive of tax, to avoid all these settings. If you want to know details, please let me know. You can leave a comment below and I'm happy to help you out. Save the changes. I think most of the digital products we buy online, for example Elementor, I think they have included the taxes. When we check out, they set the price, for example $99, and we buy at $99 without the tax. So I think that might more easier for us, for the customers. Okay, shipping zones, shippings, we do not concern much about. Here we are selling virtual products, we don't need much shipping. So payments, the here main concern here, as I have mentioned before, if you want to extend this Woocommerce, you can install other add-ons to add more payment gateways. By default we have cash delivery, check payments, direct transfer. I think there should be PayPal. I think they have removed the PayPal in this version. I do not see any PayPal, so we need to install add-ons for this payment. Okay, and account and privacy. Allow customers to place order without an account. No. Here we cannot allow this. Allow customers to log in into your existing during checkout. Yes. We need to capture customer information, then we need them to open an account on our website, because they have to log into our website to access the course material, the videos, other materials. So we need them to open their accounts. So this option is no. Account creation, allow customers to create during checkout. Yes. Allow customers to create account on my account page. Yes. okay, and yeah, save changes. Other settings, if you are more familiar with WooCommerce, then make changes, otherwise leave the default. Emails, okay, same here. We need to customize it, of course. We need to send out customized emails, but I think, yeah, I have also made a few videos about the email customization for WooCommerce, and you can check it out on my channel. And if you do not if you are still concerned, if you do not know how to customize these emails, you can leave a comment below. I'm happy to help you out. Okay, and integration, this is for maximize geolocation integration. I have just done a video about this, you can check it out. Yeah, so and advance, okay, this is default pages. Terms and conditions page I have not created yet. After creating the terms and conditions page, you can assign it here. Others are default pages. Yeah, HTTP page, others leave the default. Okay, save changes. Now we have done the basic setup for the WooCommerce. Yeah, this is not finished for the setup. To run your e-commerce website properly, you need to set up more better. You have to extend it, the WooCommerce better. Okay, but our main concern here is to design the layout. So let's go to Tutor LMS. Tutor LMS. Here once again we have to go to settings, and setting up Tutor LMS is also yeah, it's a headache because they have lots of options, as you can see here. General settings, dashboard page, dashboard, okay. Enable profile page, enable profile completion, enable. Yeah, enabling this feature will show a notification bar to students and instructors to complete their profile information. Yes, with this option we are prompting the customers to finish their profile data. So we need this data. Okay, Tutor native login. Okay, enable this option, Tutor native login. Okay, we are not going to use the WordPress login page. We need to use load Tutor CSS. Okay, if the theme is unsigned, then you can turn off the plugin Tutor. Load Tutor JavaScript, enable. Course visibility, okay, disable this, erase upon installation, spotlight mode, enable this, yes, okay. And YouTube player, by enabling this option, all the videos will be played through YouTube player. Otherwise they will be played with Tutor LMS video player. Okay, disable this. If you want to make changes again, we can change it later. Okay, the default maintenance mode or no. Front, okay, hide the front end admin bar. Okay, we do not want our customers to see our WordPress admin bar at the front end, so hide it. Okay, fine. Save changes. Then course, enable Gutenberg editor, we do not need it, we are going to design with Elementor. And hide course products from shop page. Enable disable course content access, allow instructor and admins to view the course content without enrolling. Okay, yes. Okay, after buying the course, the customers will be redirected to their enrolled course. Okay, this is good. Enable it. Course completion process flexible. Okay, if you want to maintain a strict step-by-step completion of the course, then you have to set the strict mode. Let this default. If we need changes, we can make it changes later. Course filter, select everything. Yeah, instructor info, enable it. Question and answer, enable. Course author, disable. Disabling this feature will remove course author name from the course page. Okay, yeah. If you want to display on the instructor on the specific course, then enable this option, otherwise disable it. And yeah, like this. Okay, course label, disabling this feature will remove the course label from the course. There will be beginners level, difficulty level, like the immediate or be a middle level. There are few levels in the course, depend on the difficulty of the course. So yeah, course here, blah blah blah, leave this, everything by default. Setting. Okay, lessons, classic editor, we do not need it. Automatically no code next content. Yeah, after completing one course content, and next content will be loaded automatically. Yeah, it is good. On click it, save changes. Then student registration. For the student registration page, so review on profile, so completed courses, enable it. Okay, earning withdrawal, this is for multi instructor online tutorial website, we do not need it. Okay, leave the default. Monetization, select Woocommerce, we are going to sell these courses through Woocommerce. Okay, save settings. Email notification, once again we do not have much options here without the Tutor LMS Pro to customize the emails. Okay, name, this is the name of your company, the course website, and email for your company. Okay, now go to Woocommerce. Okay, enable add to cart for feature for guest users. Okay, no, this, as I mentioned before, we need the customers to open an account to our website. So yeah, and disable this option, then save settings. And yeah, we're done with the basic setup for the Tutor LMS plugin 2. Okay, now wow, it's a lot of, so you can do it slowly, step by step. You need to make it fast. I'm just trying to cover all these things in this video, so you need to do it slowly, step by step. If you have any doubts, questions, don't hesitate to contact me in the comment section below or through WhatsApp or Facebook. Now we need to create few pages. So by default, these pages are created by Woocommerce plugin and Tutor LMS plugin. This card, check out, all these pages are from Woocommerce, and this dashboard, instructor, and student registration pages, this is from Tutor LMS. Of course, this privacy and the sample page is from WordPress itself. Sample page, delete this, we do not need the sample page. Okay, delete it. Then let's create a new page. On the navigation menu, we will have basic 5 pages: home, about us page, courses, blog, and contact page. So first let's create a home page come landing page. Okay, this will be our home page, and template Elementor provide, publish it. So we have home page. I think courses page we have not courses page yet, so let's add page called courses and about us, blog, contact, few pages. Okay, this should be about Elementor provide, publish. Another page again. This should be our courses page. Elementor provide, publish. Then another again. This is a repetitive job. You can fast forward this portion of the video. Blog, blog is a much for every company website. It's kind of telling the message about your company and related services or products. It's having a writing blogs regularly. I think it improves SEO somehow. Then contact page. Of course, you need to create few other pages like secondary pages like disclaimer, terms and conditions, credits, those pages, but we'll not cover it today. Now let's go to settings. Yeah, I think I need to do a few things here before we go further to this video series. Like for example, this permanent links, I want to change the post name, save changes. Then media, okay, 300 into 300, medium size 640 into 640, large size 10. Okay, save changes. Next is reading, of course. Let's set front page, home, blog page, blog, save changes. then general. I think these settings are the first thing you need to do after installing your WordPress. So here you cannot miss out this swimmer. Okay, we say number 1. Swimming training course in the world. Wow. Okay, and then make sure what these URLs are correct. Membership, customer, substances, now go to appearance, menus, okay, let's create a menu. Let's call it main menu. Primary menu location, create menu. Okay, then view all pages, home page. Okay, fine. Blog, about us page, courses page, contact page, and student registration. Okay, add to menu. Okay, blog contact should be last but one. Blog should be here, just before contact, about courses, blog, contact, student registration. Okay, this student registration will be the button. Primary menu, save menu. Okay, yeah, now we have done creating the menu and all. Next is the, I think I need to, here we are at the appearance, I need to clarify the theme I'm using for this tutorial, for designing this online courses website. I'm using the default 2021 theme. Okay, we're not going to depend on the theme for anything for this website, so theme is just for the basic structure. We can delete those unused themes. Okay, here it's clear. Next thing, I think we are done for this part of the video. Next, we need to, in the next part, we need to create WooCommerce products for the courses, and we need to create WooCommerce courses. Okay, stay tuned and don't forget to like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next part of the video.